I have a couple things going on today. I'm going to the eye doctor now. I should have some contacts coming in because I haven't worn them in a while. I had to get a new prescription for those. That was fun. And then I gotta go to Best Buy to get a lens cap because I broke mine. I also have a microphone coming today. I got the Rode Video Mic Grow, whatever the smallest one is, the $60 one. It's gonna be a good day, I think, even though it's raining. There it is. Contact lenses, as you can probably see. Everything's looking pretty good. Still like trying to get used to them. This is a new prescription from what my glasses are, so it's going to be a little bit different. Alright, I got me my my lens cap. It was $8, which is kind of expensive, but I guess it's not a big deal. Let's see how this fits. Cool, fits great. Perfect. Time to go to Starbucks.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Alright, could I have a venti iced coffee with regular cream and sugar? Thank you. That lady was so upbeat. Okay, so I'm home now, still waiting on that microphone. It should be coming in the mail, like the US Postal Service. Eventually, it comes kind of late around here. So I'm just doing some work. As you can, the monitor's off, but I'm doing some work. And then I'm watching this awesome documentary about vlogging, and it's called Vlogumentary. And if you have YouTube Red, I highly recommend you watch it. I'm about an hour in. It's an hour and 20 minutes, so it's pretty short, but it's really cool. You get a view of inside the vloggers, like, personal life, like, kind of behind the scenes of the vlog. Definitely check it out. It's way cool. I made these chicken dumplings right there. I made those, except I guess I didn't boil them long enough, so I took a bite of it, and usually the inside is like solid, and this time it wasn't, so I'm pretty sure I just ate raw chicken, and this might be my last vlog if I die. Okay, I finally got this package. It's 5:45-ish, almost 5:45, and I've been waiting for this all day. Stupid mail comes so late. So, I'm super excited for this. This is the Rode Video Mic Go, I think. I always forget. And this is not a sponsored video, it's the Video Micro. Let's see. Oh, this is much bigger than I thought, actually, but that's okay. So this is the microphone. It's pretty small. Here's the mount. do not eat. And here's the cable. It's a nice little cable. And then we got some paperwork. Quick start guide. Looks simple enough. 2, 3. Alright, how do I sound now? This should be working, I think. It looks kind of silly, actually. So, probably just gonna keep this. I don't know though, I might throw it away. So I guess we're gonna see how well this microphone works out. I mean, I need to figure out the settings and stuff, so hopefully I'm not like too loud or too soft, and then I just sound decent, okay? So just like bear with me until I figure out my settings. Lay off. Jeez.